I'm a big fan of billet parts, but I'm also a really big fan of fabricated parts, just because I know, because I build these, how much work it takes to do something, even as simple as a cross member like this. So this is a 2JZ FD3S RX-7 transmission cross member for my t56 kits. And here you can see my pipe with some math on there showing you like how I kind of get the angles perfectly, and this is what I use as a jig for my pipe. But here you see the actual jig and the flanges, and this is fully chromoly, so it's really light. This weighs like, I think, under 2 pounds when it's all complete. So you have a chromoly flange, piece of chromoly tube that's bent, center flange, and the right side flange. And you can kind of see here the precision that it takes to get this right. So I have to be really tight down here to weld this, to TIG weld this up. I have to be really tight here, and there. And the angles that takes, if you look at this here, look at the jig and the complexity of those angles and the math that it takes to get that perfectly right. And if we look at the pipe itself, you can see it goes like almost like an S shape, but a complex S. And it's not only complex that way, but also if I hold it up this way, you'll see that it's not perfectly straight that way as well. So I like billet stuff, it's cool, but I know the work it takes to build stuff like this and why it takes so much money and time to do things like this. But here you can see a complex one, and then this is another complex one. That's for the S14